In this movie, I'm going to create the main ceiling board for the living room. Now I'm going to draw several lines to define the ceiling board area. First of all, I will draw a big rectangle here. It is for defining the area of the main decorative ceiling. Zoom in to the corner up here. I will draw a polyline here to create a gap between the wall. Touch this corner point and click on the dashed line and close the polyline. Draw another polyline here. Draw another polyline here. And join the line perpendicularly. Draw another rectangle here to define the area of the second decorative ceiling. Here at this corner we have a L-shaped decorative ceiling, and I will draw an L polyline here. Type O to offset. I'll give it a distance like this long. Select the L line and click inside the room. Draw another two polylines to close this area. Alright, this is all the lines we need to define the area of the main ceiling board. Choose Ceiling. Select all the related lines. Pick an internal point here. Height 2600, thickness 200. There you go. This is our main ceiling board. Now I'm going to create light slots for the decorative ceilings. First of all, I will offset this rectangle. The offset distance is 300. Select the rectangle, click outside. Choose Ceiling again. Select the bigger rectangle. Pick an internal point. This time height 2700, thickness 100. Alright, this is our ceiling board. Choose Subtract in Solid Editing. Choose the big board. And choose this board. Okay, it is cut. I'll do the same here. Draw a bigger rectangle. Choose Ceiling. Pick an internal point, height 2700, thickness 100. Okay, I'll use Subtract again. Choose the big board and choose this board. Alright, it is cut. Okay, now I will merge it to VR to see how it looks like. Because there is no curved surface here, so I just use normal. Select the board. Okay. Walk around and check whether this ceiling board fits the room. Everything looks good. Switch back to modeling. As we did before, we will hide this ceiling for leaving more space for the coming modeling.